Hello everyone, welcome to Living the Dream Garage 2.0 on YouTube. We're kind of working on the rear of the truck again on the bed. We've got cut out some of the template for the side to be cut out to match the wheel tubs, and lay out the bed from center out. Just a couple of things. On it's Sunday, we're not really kind of messing around, but got that going on, and yeah, just thank everyone for subscribing, all the new subscribers. Thank you very much. Thanks everyone liking the videos, watching them, commenting. Want to thank Benchmark, especially. Want to thank Mr. Kiefer again. Can't thank them guys, them people enough. At Fast Flange. Can't wait to start using some of the fasteners and stuff that we got coming from there. And hang out with us. Thank you. It's crazy. All right, everyone. Obviously, I'm sure you know what I'm doing is I'm just making templates. I've made one of two. We have to make templates to cut out for the new pieces that are coming in to go around this wheel tub on both sides. I've gotten this one done. Tenderfoot gave me an idea, maybe take a piece of aluminum thin and ridge it here to where I can mount it to this plate easier, but we'll see. It gets us in place where we need to be, and yeah, that's basically what we're doing today. It's not a whole lot. A couple other little things maybe. Depends on how the rest of the day goes. We're just making some templates. And I hope everyone's having a good Sunday. Hope everyone had a good weekend or having a good weekend, hopefully. And we're going to continue on. If you'd like to hang out, that's cool. If not, drop a like, a dislike, a comment. We take all subscriptions. If you want to subscribe, thank you. If not, just keep watching the videos. That's cool. Hopefully it'll do something, will strike somebody into having a project started or going out and working on one. This is not our vehicle, but it's still a project and we enjoy it. We appreciate everyone again, and thank you. And if you want to hang out, we're going to be here. Thank you. to thank everyone for coming by, watching the video. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Thanks for, again, all the subscribers and new subscribers. We've almost met our goal. We're getting there, getting closer. We've been slow on the content, but we've got other things going on, so sometimes we have to, one thing's got to be sacrificed for the other. But got the template made for the back on one side, got to do the other side. Probably do that Monday or Tuesday. And got the bed laid out, which you've seen, and also anybody that didn't watch the video for those, we've got the Willwood stuff now for the rear. All the front stuff will be coming Monday, maybe Tuesday. But again, thank everyone. Benchmarker braces, LVD 10, 10% off all purchases. Fast flange will be Dream 10, 10% off all purchases. Use code Dream 10 at checkout for any of the fasteners, any hardware you need from them. Go by, take a look at it. www.fastflange.com. Wonderful people. Check them out. And again, LVD 10. Benchmarker braces. 10% off all purchases. 10% off on Fast Flange, Dream 10. Got to keep them separated. But free shipping for Fast Flange. That makes it even better. And I want to thank everyone again for subscribing. Thank everyone for watching the videos, and God bless you.